Hey guys, I just wanted to run through my recipe for my mid-morning shake, also my breakfast shake or afternoon shake. You guys have been asking me a lot about it, so I'm just gonna quickly run through how to make it with you and why I'm choosing the things that I'm choosing. So I have my big glass blender. I'm gonna open up my fridge here. I use unsweetened almond milk, 8 ounces, so about 30 calories, pretty much carb-free on this, dairy-free. Fill it up to about a cup, maybe a little bit more. I like my shakes really thick. I like it almost like an ice cream texture. That's just my style, so I will put in a little less liquid. Then I'm using this fresh spinach, pretty straightforward. Just throw a bunch in here. I make this so often, it's kind of like do it with my eyes closed. But packs tons of nutrients here, tons of nutrients. All right, and so now my protein shake that I've been using, or my protein powder, is the Orgain organic pea protein, plant-based, 21 grams of protein per, is it 1 scoop? It's 2 scoops, yeah. So I'm gonna throw in 2 of these guys, a little bit more on that one. It blends well, it tastes good. I know other brands and stuff that are pea-based plant proteins taste chalky. You have to just be mindful to find something that works for you. That's my favorite. So now we're gonna go into some other things here. I'm always gonna do blueberries. I'm a blueberry strawberry girl, so I just kind of do by sight here. It's about a 1/3 cup to a 1/2 cup. I will use the riced cauliflower. It helps blend and keeps it thick versus me throwing in a banana. I don't want to have all that extra sugar and food density in this particular shake. So I'm gonna go in with about a 1/3 cup. I'm weird, I kind of like to chew it. I like that texture. It almost tastes like a bubble tea, if you guys are familiar with that. It's tasteless, but it gives some type of I don't know, there's an extra zing to the shake, just something extra in there. But it was really for consistency. I like the blend. So then I have my extras in my little Harry and David shake bin. All right, so stay with me on this. I'm going in for a little bit of chia seeds, so about a tablespoon. And you guys should be measuring this. I've just made this shake probably 150 times, so I know what it looks like at this point. I am using an organic flaxseed meal from Trader Joe's, extra fiber. Be careful on this, don't go over a tablespoon, or else you might be in the bathroom for a long time. It's high fiber. If you're not used to the flaxseed meal, maybe go a teaspoon, then go into a tablespoon. All right, and then my favorite, my beloved supergreens. Okay, so this is crazy stuff. I actually started implementing this into my shakes, and I got my eyes checked again for my annual checkup, and my eyes actually have improved. And to be honest with you, I haven't changed a ton in my diet other than adding these super green shakes. So this helps with energy, promotes detox, helps alkalize, so pH balance if you have a lot of acidity in your bloodstream, or if you have coffee all the time, or a lot of red meat. It's going to help bring everything back to center. It aids in digestion. I internalize a lot. I carry stress in my stomach a lot, so it can lock things up. This helps keep you regular, and then supports immunity. We all want that. We're always touching things. We have kids. We have, we're in community spaces. We're picking up a lot of junk, so this helps build up a defense against that junk. So it comes with a scooper somewhere in here, but it's about a tablespoon. When you first get something, you have to find the scooper. I can feel it in there. So just enough. You don't want to overdo it on that. If you do overdo it, you will taste it. It's not the best taste, but if you keep it under a tablespoon, it blends well. You don't even know it's in there. So those are my extras there. Put this guy back. And then I'm going to do a 1/2 an avocado. I forgot about that guy. So I get these are mediums. These are actually, sorry, these are on the larger side. So I normally get the small bag from Trader Joe's. They're mini guys. It's a perfect serving. This is on the heavier side, so actually this will yield 4 servings for me if I'm doing it in a shake. If I'm doing it as a breakfast, I'll probably just have 1/2, just on its own. All right. Let me get the pit out of this thing. This is always dicey for me. There we go. All right, so I'm just gonna take about a half of this guy and scoop it out in here. And again, between the rice cauliflower and the avocado, it's gonna blend to like this smooth texture and consistency that I absolutely love. And now this is optional. I do have stevia hanging around here, so I'll do a stevia extract. Be sure that it's real stevia extract. I get mine from Trader Joe's. I know that Whole Foods sells it as well. Amazon, you can get the droplets, do whatever. This just adds like another level of sweetness. You will get the sweetness from the blueberry and from your protein powder. But I just like mine on the sweeter side. So without adding banana and like all this extra fruit, because I don't want a super high sugar shake for the day. I want something that's gonna actually benefit my movement, my mental clarity, my energy levels, my digestion. I'm looking at it from that holistic standpoint. So let's see if this blends right away. If it doesn't, I'm gonna start slowly adding some water to make it better. All right. So far, so good. Mix it up a little bit. It's really good. So if you want it even colder, then throw in like an ice cube or two, or just throw in some cold water. But this is the shake. It looks kind of like mud, but it's freaking amazing. And it's so good for you guys. Like, think about all the great things we just put in here. So much phytonutrients. Things are gonna help you just be on your game and feel your best, feel great after our workouts and stuff. So, there's so much happening in here. It's absolutely great. So hopefully that helped you guys get some ideas, or just, you know, inspire you to make a green shake on a daily basis. All right, we'll see you at session. See ya.